Today, we'll show you how to stay calm and explain your health problem clearly, even with simple English. We're going to build your confidence so you can get the help you need.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Every Day, where we make learning English easy, fun, and super practical. I'm Maya.
And I'm Alex. Hi, Maya. I feel great today. I have my coffee and I'm ready to learn with everyone.
I'm feeling good too. I have my water and I'm excited because today's topic is something everyone needs at some point in their life. It's one of those topics you hope you don't need, but you're so glad you learned it when you do.
Exactly. Whether you're traveling, living in an English-speaking country, or even just helping a tourist, this is essential. Today we're talking about health English, the kind of English you need when your body is not feeling normal.
You know that moment when something hurts, you feel tired, and suddenly English feels 10 times harder?
Oh, definitely. Your body is uncomfortable and your words just disappear. It's like your brain has packed its bags and gone on vacation.
Exactly. But today, we'll show you how to stay calm and explain your health problem clearly, even with simple English. We're going to build your confidence so you can get the help you need.
And before we begin, a quick message for our amazing listeners.
If you enjoy learning with us, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to Learn English Every Day. It really helps our channel grow.
And send this to a friend who is learning English. It could really help them one day. Okay, let's get into it. You know, Maya, when I'm sick, even ordering coffee feels hard. I remember once I had a really high fever and I was trying to buy medicine in a pharmacy abroad. I just stood there pointing at my head.
Yes, that's it exactly. Your body feels heavy, your head feels slow and foggy, and suddenly English feels far away.
And when someone asks you a question like, "What are your symptoms?" you think, "I know this word, but where is it?"
That moment can feel so stressful, and stress makes English harder. It's a difficult cycle. So the first and most important thing we want to talk about is mindset.
Right. So today, we're not just learning words.
We're learning how to stay calm when your body is not feeling great, how to be kind to yourself.
Calm English is strong English.
When you feel sick, your brain is busy. It's working hard, sending energy to help your body heal. It has less energy for complex grammar and big vocabulary.
That means it's okay to speak slowly.
It's okay to pause. Take a breath before you speak.
And it's absolutely okay to use short sentences.
Let's talk more about that mindset, because this part is so important.
When people are sick, they often feel embarrassed about their language skills.
Yes, they think my English is bad today, or they must think I'm not smart.
But your English is not bad, your body is just busy.
Exactly. Being sick uses a lot of energy. Think of it like a computer with too many programs open. It runs slower. Your brain is the same.
So we give ourselves permission to speak simply. It's a strategy, not a weakness.
Short sentences are not childish.
They are smart.
In fact, doctors and pharmacists actually prefer simple, direct answers.
Why is that?
Because they are busy and they want clear information to help you quickly and safely.
Not long stories, not perfect grammar.
Just clear information. My head hurts is better than a long, confusing sentence about the story of your headache. Okay, so now that we have the right mindset, let's build our vocabulary. We'll start with common symptoms, especially for things like a cold or the flu.
Great idea. It's not always pain. Sometimes it's just a collection of weird feelings.
Exactly. Let's practice some phrases. We'll say the word or phrase, and we invite you to repeat it out loud. Ready, Alex?
Ready.
A sore throat. You say, I have a sore throat. Your turn to say it.
A cough. You can have a dry cough with no liquid or a wet cough. The simple sentence is, I have a cough. Please repeat.
Good. How about a runny nose? This is when your nose won't stop dripping. You say, I have a runny nose.
And two very important words, fever and chills. A fever is when your body is hot. Chills are when you feel cold and shaky, even in a warm room. You can say, I have a fever, or I have the chills.
Let's practice those. I have a fever.
I have the chills.
Great job. Just knowing those few phrases can make a huge difference. Now, let's practice pain language. This is often the most important thing to communicate.
Okay, we'll go slowly. The key structure is simple.
Head, stomach, throat, back.
Now the sentence pattern. It is, my blank hurts.
My head hurts. My stomach hurts.
You can also say where it hurts even if you don't know the word.
That's such a good point. You can say, it hurts here.
And you can point. Don't be shy about pointing to where the pain is.
Pointing is communication too. It's clear, simple, and effective.
It hurts a little.
It hurts a lot.
Here's a really useful pro tip. Doctors often ask you to rate your pain on a scale from 1 to 10. 1 is no pain. 10 is the worst pain imaginable.
Right, so you can say, the pain is a 3 out of 10, or more simply, the pain is a 7. This gives the doctor very precise information. Pain is one part. General symptoms are another part. These tell the doctor how your whole body feels.
Yes, and the sentence pattern is, I feel. Let's practice a few.
I feel tired.
Or, I feel weak. This means you have no energy or strength.
I feel dizzy.
That means your head feels light or strange, like the room is spinning.
And one more. I feel nauseous. That's the feeling you have before you get sick to your stomach.
Okay, the last piece of the puzzle is time. Time is very important.
Doctors will always ask, how long have you felt this way? Or just, how long?
For 1 day.
For about a week.
Since yesterday.
It started this morning.
Even one time word helps a lot. It gives the doctor important clues.
Okay, Alex, let's put it all together. Let's pretend we are at the pharmacy. I am the pharmacist.
Okay, I am the customer who is not feeling well. I'll use our simple sentences.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Hello, I'm not feeling very good.
I'm sorry to hear that. What are your symptoms?
My throat is sore. I have a cough, and I feel very tired.
Okay. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I feel hot, a little fever.
And how long have you felt like this?
Since yesterday evening.
Thank you. That helps me understand. Do you have any allergies to medicine?
No allergies. Do you have something I can take?
Yes, this medicine can help with the fever and the sore throat. You should take 2 pills now with food, then take 1 pill every 6 hours.
I'm sorry, 1 pill every 6 hours?
That's right, 1 pill every 6 hours, and drink lots of water.
Okay, thank you for explaining.
Okay, let's pause the role play. Listeners, did you notice something?
I didn't use difficult English. And when I didn't understand, I asked a simple question. I'm sorry? That's a great tool to use.
But the conversation still worked perfectly. You got the help you needed.
That's because I used the right tools for the job.
Let's review those tools slowly. Think of this as your health English toolkit.
Tool 1. The pain phrase. Body part plus hurts or is sore. For example, my back hurts.
Tool 2. Symptom phrases. I have a or I feel. For example, I have a fever or I feel dizzy.
Tool 3. Time words. Since yesterday, for 2 days.
And a bonus tool, simple clarifying questions. Could you repeat that? Or what does that mean? It is always okay to ask.
With just these tools, you can communicate clearly.
That's powerful. Confidence doesn't come from knowing everything.
It comes from knowing enough to handle the situation.
So, our advice is to practice when you feel well. Say these sentences out loud in your home.
That way, when you feel sick, your English is ready. The words will come more easily because you've built the muscle memory.
That's a great foundation, but what if you want to give more detail about the type of pain you're feeling? This can be very helpful for a doctor.
Let's finish with a quick practice for you, our listeners.
In the comments below this video, write one health sentence. Use one of the tools we learned today.
It can be very simple, like, I have a headache, or my throat is sore.
And if you would like us to share our health vocabulary cheat sheet, a simple one-page PDF with all these words and phrases, tell us in the comments.
If more than 10 of you say yes, please, we'll unlock it and add the download link to the description.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share this episode with someone learning English. It could make a real difference for them.
Take care of yourself.
And take care of your English. We'll see you in the next episode. Bye.